Looking for smart appliances that make cooking easier and faster? In this video, we're checking out the top 20 Nuwave products on Amazon, from powerful air fryers and ovens to blenders, induction cooktops, and more. These gadgets are designed to save you time, energy, and effort while keeping meals delicious and healthy. Stick around to see which Nuwave product is the best fit for your home. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing kitchen tech and gadget finds. At number 1 we have Nuwave Brio Air Fryer. Control not only the time and temperature but also customize the top and bottom heaters. To bake a perfect pizza, set bottom heaters at full power and top heaters at 30% for crispy crunch crust and perfectly melted cheesy toppings. Once the desired doneness temperature is set, Brio Air Fryer Toaster Oven constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically ends the cooking process when the desired internal temperature is reached. You will never undercook or overcook your food again. Brio Air Fryer has 4 different rack positions and is programmed with includes 12 preset cooking functions for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting and more. It also has additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets in addition to 50 slots where you can save and recall your own favorite recipes. At number 2 we have Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? No problem. Simply adjust on the fly anytime. No need to start over. Mosaic's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate, and the response is immediate. Select from the 6 convenient preset temperature settings or fine-tune your own temperature from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. You can also add or deduct cooking time at any time. Mosaic is lightweight and portable. It performs flawlessly in RVs, dorms, campsites, and smaller apartments. Its 3 wattage settings of 600, 900 and 1500 watts are designed to work well anywhere even when the power is limited. The robust design of Mosaic and its patented insulation technology brings the induction heating coils closer to the wok than the competition for faster and even heating, ensuring no hot or cold spots for optimal cooking experience. Even if you forget, Mosaic will shut off automatically when the set cook time is completed. When the wok is removed from the cooktop, Mosaic will not start. At number 3 we have Nuwave OxyPure Zero Plus Air Purifier. Purify large areas up to 3,210 square feet effortlessly with OxyPure Zero Plus. Trust its exceptional ability to effectively eliminate invisible pollutants and irritants, ensuring the air you breathe is clean and safe. Whether it's a spacious home, a bustling school, an open-concept workspace, OxyPure Zero Plus captures 100% of particle pollutants as small as 0.09 microns, including smoke, dust, and pollen. It removes airborne contaminants including dust, pollen, smoke, pet hair, harmful VOC chemicals, and ozone. The stainless steel pre-filter effortlessly captures large particles and irritants. The ozone emission removal filter effectively eliminates toxic ozone. With dual high-tech BioGuard filters, even the tiniest airborne particle pollutants and odors are completely removed, leaving you with remarkably clean and fresh indoor air. The Never Rust stainless steel pre-filter and 2 BioGuard filters are washable and reusable. At number 4 we have Nuwave Combi Steam Oven. Achieve gourmet cooking with ease. Simultaneously steam for juicy interiors and air fry for crispy exteriors using combo mode. With 120 presets, cooking has never been easier or more delicious for perfect results every time. Advanced cooking technology lets you adjust steam infusion levels and temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly cooked meals. Whether frying, combo cooking, steaming, or sous vide, enjoy restaurant-quality meals. Sous vide renders fat with precise, low heat, melting it without burning the meat. Enjoy gourmet flavors and ensure tender, nutritious dishes without excess oil or salt. The best oven for healthy, delicious meals for your family. No bags, sous vide machines, or water baths needed for eco-friendly cooking. Control temperature with 1 degree Fahrenheit precision increments and moisture from 10 to 90% for tender, juicy food with perfectly even texture. The Nuwave Combi toast bread to bakery fresh perfection with steam and heat, just like from the baker's oven. At number 5 we have Nuwave Lux 13 PC Forged Cookware Set. Each cookware is strong and durable yet lightweight and easy to handle. It is a work of art where form meets function. It is designed and constructed to exceed and outperform your expectations under any situation and at any skill level. The eco-friendly, ultra-non-stick Gen 10 Duralin Blue is all-natural ceramic coating free of harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium and other toxic materials that can leach into your food. Hardness is rated at 9H. It is exceptionally resistant to abrasion, corrosion, and acid, meaning it won't chip or discolor and will retain its non-stick properties longer. It heats fast and evenly, releases food effortlessly, and is extraordinarily durable. The premium metal lids are crafted with precision, featuring flavor dots designed for efficient moisture control. At number 6 we have Nuwave Steam Oven and Air Fryer. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals that retain moisture and nutrients. Nuwave's smart steam infusion technology mimics spritzing to lock in moisture, ensuring meats are tender and juicy with a flavorful, crisp exterior. This versatile oven offers functions like frying, air fry and steaming combo, steaming, sous vide, toasting, and more. Customize humidity to keep foods moist and tender, whether you're steaming, baking, or roasting. Perfect for preserving the freshness of baked goods or enhancing flavors in meat dishes. Get that crispy, golden brown crunch like frying, but without the grease. Nuwave's X Crispy function delivers a perfectly crisp texture with less oil, giving you healthier, fried results every time. Delight everyone from kids to fitness enthusiasts and older adults with guilt-free indulgence every time. Experience sous vide tenderness without the hassle. At number 7 we have Nuwave Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Bravo Toaster Oven Countertop is equipped with 12 versatile cooking functions including air fry, toast, grill, bake, roast, slow cook, dehydrate, and more. It also boasts 100 one-touch presets for effortless cooking and 30 memory slots to save your own unique recipes. This air fryer toaster oven utilizes the latest 2025 upgraded ultra-fast convection system, combined with top and bottom heating elements, virtually eliminating temperature variations even when cooking on multiple racks. Compared to other brands, Nuwave offers twice the uniformity and efficiency. Save you both time and energy. The Bravo Air Fryer Grill Combo comes with a professional grill plate that authentically replicates char-grilled flavor and diamond-shaped marks. The reversible grill/griddle features a ceramic non-stick coating and dual drip spouts to drain excess oil and water, ensuring perfect taste and texture. This air fryer convection oven offers a wide temperature range of 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer up to 100 hours. At number 8 we have Nuwave OxyPure Clean Air Purifiers. Stainless steel pre-filter captures large particles and irritants. Ozone emission removal filter eliminates toxic ozone. HEPA/carbon and BioGuard filters remove minute airborne particle pollutants and odors from the home. Never Rust stainless steel pre-filter and BioGuard filter are washable and reusable. The ozone emission removal filter is reusable. These filters were designed to eliminate costly replacements. OxyPure is Wi-Fi capable. You can connect remotely to monitor and control the air quality in your home anytime, anywhere from an app on your phone. The app is compatible with both Android and iPhones. OxyPure promotes better sleep by eliminating airborne particles that can irritate the sinuses. OxyPure is designed with nighttime mode. All indicator lights turn off and fan operates at whisper quiet level at 31.4 decibels to help promote ideal sleeping conditions. At number 9 we have Nuwave Pick Double Heating Coils. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? No problem. Simply adjust on the fly anytime. No need to start over. Double's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate, and the response is immediate. Select from the 6 convenient preset temperature settings or fine-tune your own temperature from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. You can also add or deduct cooking time at any time. With 94 precise temperatures at your fingertips, you can keep delicate sauces warm at 100 degrees Fahrenheit to grilling a juicy steak with serious grill marks at 575 degrees Fahrenheit. With 2 induction cooking surfaces in the same unit, Double gives you the convenience of a traditional stovetop with the portability and precision high-tech device. Now you can make complete meals all at once without compromise. With 2 control panels, you can independently adjust the settings on each side. At number 10 we have Nuwave Smart Air Purifier. The US EPA estimates that the air in your home can have as much as 5 times more pollutants than outdoors. Although the air may look clean to the naked eye, you could be unknowingly inhaling harmful air. Auto Function utilizes particle and odor sensors to continuously monitor air quality in the room and automatically adjusts fan speeds for optimal purification. Turbo Function operates at max speed for up to 2 hours for rapid purification. 6 fan speeds from low to high can be selected for up to 12 hours. The revolutionary BioGuard filter and stainless steel pre-filters are washable and reusable. Ozone emission removal filter are reusable. Includes 8 HEPA/carbon combo filter. The National Sleep Foundation found that sleep is dramatically impaired by poor air quality. OxyPure promotes better sleep by eliminating and purifying the air that can irritate the sinuses. OxyPure is designed with nighttime mode. At number 11 we have Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Toaster Oven. Customize your pizza oven. Adjust the ratio of top and bottom heaters from 0 to 100% and convection fan speed for different types of heating zones. To bake a perfect thick pizza, set bottom heaters at 70% power and top heaters at 30% for crispy crunch crust and perfectly melted cheesy toppings. 12 pre-programmed presets. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer. 12 functions include air fairy, air roast, grill, bake, broil, bagel, toast, dehydrate, reheat, frozen, waffle, pizza and keep warm in an all-in-one, powerful, 1800-watt appliance. Multi-layer even cooking. With the upgraded convection system, the temperature difference between each layer is only 0 to 1 degree Fahrenheit, making multi-layer cooking more even and efficient than ever before. Save a lot of time and energy. At number 12 we have Nuwave 5PC Ceramic Cookware Set. Experience the all-natural, healthy G11 Duralin Blue ceramic coating with advanced Sol Gel nanotechnology. It boosts 30% better non-stick performance and is more scratch-resistant than G10. Non-toxic and free of harmful substances even at higher temperatures, it ensures a safe, superior cooking experience. Each piece of cookware is strong and durable yet lightweight and easy to handle. It is a work of art where form meets function. It is designed and constructed to exceed and outperform your expectations under any situation and at any skill level. All-natural ceramic coating is applied to the cooking surface, making it non-stick and ensuring a cooking surface that is free of per and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Tested at 9H hardness, this product is exceptionally resistant to abrasion, corrosion, and acid, meaning it won't chip or discolor and will retain its non-stick properties longer. At number 13 we have Nuwave Air Purifier for extra large room. OxyPure captures particle pollutants including smoke, dust, pollen and other irritants like ozone and VOCs. Unseen to the naked eye, you may unwittingly be inhaling billions of unseen pollutants with every breath you take. OxyPure Smart Air Purifier is proven to effectively purify a 2,934 square feet large area in 1 hour. Clear the air. Stainless steel pre-filter captures large particles. Ozone emission filter reduces airborne ozone to safe levels. HEPA/carbon and BioGuard filters remove minute airborne particle pollutants and odors from the home. This dynamic combination effectively captures 100% of airborne particles including pollen, smoke, pet hair, dust, and other irritants. Spend less on clean air. By slipping the Easy Clean cover over your OxyPure's vents, you can capture large particles such as pet hair before they reach your filters. At number 14 we have Nuwave OxyPure Ultra Clean Air Purifiers. OxyPure captures 100% of particle pollutants as small as 0.09 microns including smoke, dust, pollen and other irritants like ozone and VOCs. Clear the air. Stainless steel pre-filter captures large particles. Ozone emission filter reduces airborne ozone to safe levels. HEPA/carbon and BioGuard filters remove minute airborne particle pollutants and odors from the home. This dynamic combination effectively captures 100% of airborne particles as small as 0.09 microns including pollen, smoke, pet hair, dust, and other irritants. Spend less on clean air. By slipping the Easy Clean cover over your OxyPure's vents, you can capture large particles such as pet hair before they reach your filters, prolonging their lifespan and saving you money in the long run. Perfect for pet owners. Eliminate odors and irritants in the home, promoting better air quality. Easy Cover is designed to capture pet hair before they reach the filters for an extra layer of protection. At number 15 we have Nuwave Brio Plus Air Fryer 8 quarts. The Brio Plus Air Fryer boasts enhanced design, functions, and performance, plus trendy new colors. Your feedback inspired these upgrades. Cook healthier meals in style with advanced presets and a user-friendly interface. Brio's 2025 Advanced Turbo Convection Tech, with 6-blade 4.5-inch heating fan and 700/1500/1800ths of a watt power, promotes cyclonic convection circulation. Enjoy quicker meal prep with crunchy, golden brown exteriors and juicy insides. Revolutionize your cooking with Brio Plus Air Fryer. Its full digital touchscreen offers a seamless, futuristic interface, no more analog buttons or faded letters. Enjoy precise, effortless control at your fingertips. Cook healthier with all-natural, non-stick ceramic coating free from harmful fizz. Tested by TÜV for 106 known fizz elements, Duralin Blue G10 ceramic coating ensures none were detected. Enjoy safe, worry-free cooking. At number 16 we have Nuwave Double Cooktop Induction Countertop Burner. Induction cooking eliminates open flames and heats only the pan, keeping the surrounding area cool. It cooks faster and more efficiently than traditional burners, saving both time and energy in the kitchen. Choose from 6 preset temperatures or customize between 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. Perfect for cooking dishes that require accurate temperature control like steak, chocolate, and more. Cook 2 separate dishes at once with independent controls. Adjust the temperature or settings for each zone without having to restart, offering flexibility for different recipes or multitasking. Double automatically shuts off when cookware is removed from the cooktop. The built-in safety lock prevents accidents, ensuring peace of mind with auto shutoff and cookware detection for safe cooking every time. At number 17 we have Nuwave Washable BioGuard Tech Air Filter. Unseen to the naked eye, you may unwittingly be inhaling billions of unseen pollutants and allergens into your lungs with every breath you take. OxyPure is proven to effectively purify a 1,000 square feet room 2x per hour and a 2,002 square feet room 1x per hour. Zero captures 100% of airborne particle pollutants as small as 0.1 microns, including smoke, dust, and pollen. It removes airborne pollen, dust, pet dander, harmful chemicals, and ozone. Stainless steel pre-filter captures large particles and allergens. Ozone emission removal filter eliminates toxic ozone. 2 high-tech BioGuard filters and 1 BioGuard 360 filter remove harmful airborne particle pollutants and odors. OxyPure Zero meets the stringent California ozone emissions limit. It eliminates toxic ozone in the home to less than 1 part per billion, ppb, about 70 times less than the EPA's designated safe level of 70 parts per billion. At number 18 we have Nuwave Bravo XL Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Fine-tune time and temperature anytime in the cooking process. Bravo's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Set cook temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Unlike the primitive methods that regulate temperature by turning the heater on and off, our heater never turns off while cooking. Linear T executes the set temp accurately throughout the cooking process by continuously monitoring temp fluctuations and making constant adjustments every second to maintain the set temp to ensure perfect results. Customize the top, bottom heaters and convection fan independently for true surround cooking. To bake a perfect pizza, set bottom heaters at full power and top heaters at 30% for crispy crunch crust and perfectly melted cheesy toppings. At number 19 we have Nuwave 3210 Sq Ft Air Purifier. Save money and reduce waste with the Forever Plus Air Purifier with washable filters. No need for costly replacements, just wash and reuse, eliminating the hassle of paper filters while keeping your air fresh and clean. Nuwave Forever Plus Air Purifier is proven to effectively purify up to 3,210 square feet in just 1 hour. It is perfect for large homes, schools, offices, and even industrial environments. As small as 0.1 microns, including smoke, dust, and pollen, along with pet hair, harmful vogue chemicals, irritants, ozone, and more. Forever Plus Air Purifier promotes a more restful environment. In nighttime mode, all indicator lights turn off and the fan operates at the whisper quiet level of 18 decibels to promote ideal relaxation before bed. Tailor your air purification with 5 intelligent modes: Turbo, Eco, Auto, Ultimate Clean, and Sleep. At number 20 we have Nuwave Upgraded Induction Cooktop. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? No problem. Simply adjust on the fly anytime. No need to start over. Titanium's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate, and the response is immediate. Enjoy easy-to-read, more intuitive, and user-friendly cool white display for a seamless cooking experience. The display provides a wealth of information for the ultimate interactive experience. Select from the 5 convenient preset temperature settings or fine-tune your own temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. You can also add or deduct cooking time at any time. Effortlessly navigate the temperature range with the addition of 5 newly selected, easy-to-remember preset. With 106 precise temperatures at your fingertips, you can keep delicate sauces warm at 100 degrees Fahrenheit to grilling a juicy steak with serious grill marks at 575 degrees Fahrenheit.